There is no nobility in being a loser. There's nothing cool about it. There's nothing funny about it. I see these videos of people walking around in the streets asking people basic questions like who the president of the United States is or how many states there are. And people are saying, oh, well, there's 62 states. Mickey Mouse is the president. And you got thousands of comments laughing their ass off. Bro, it's not funny. It's not funny. Because they're intentionally indoctrinating the youth, you guys, into being mediocre, into being less than, into living a life that you're going to regret because they're making it cool to be a loser. This was no different than what it was when I was in school, bro. Like when I was in school, you sat at the back of the school bus if you were the cool kid. All the that sat at the back of the school bus, they're all losing now.